Join me while I make tallow whip. This is what you'll need. We got the tallow, castor oil, and your essential oil. I love lavender. 1/4 cup, 1 tablespoon, and you also need to boil some water and do like a double boiler. All right, let's measure this tallow. So what happened was I should have done a cup, but I was just doing one batch, but then while I was doing this video, I was like, why not do 2 batches? So if you want to do 2 batches, just do 1/2 a cup. Anyways, you're going to put it in here to melt. Stir it up. It doesn't take that long to melt. Just stir it, stir it. All right, once it's all melted, you're going to remove it off the stove to cool down for about 5-10 minutes before you put in the other ingredients. While I wait for that to cool off, I'm going to set my mixer up while I wait. All right, I'm going to use this whisk. All right, so now that it's cool off, I'm going to add my castor oil. Again, I used about 5 to 6 tablespoons. Castor oil has omega-6, omega-9s, and vitamin E. Now, it doesn't really matter what essential oil you use, but I really love the smell of lavender, and I really like the benefits that it has. All right, so I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Take it out once it's done and it's solidified. I probably should have put it in there a little bit longer. I suggest you put it in there longer so it's completely solid, but it still worked. All right, so now I'm gonna put it in the mixer, put all of it in. I scoop it all in, don't waste it. All right, so now just mix it on high, and you're just gonna mix it until you see the consistency that you actually like, nice and fluffy. I love this process. So it took me about 10 minutes to mix it up so it can get to this consistency, nice and fluffy. Kind of looks like Cool Whip. All right, so now I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. Look at that. Oh, it's so creamy. It feels so nice on your skin. All right, now I'm gonna put it in my jars. We use a lot of this stuff. I'm just gonna rub the rest of this in my tattoos. None is gonna be wasted here. I love the way it hydrates my skin. Well, now that it's all done, it's your turn.